Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So on today's topic, we are discussing that how to remove the rust on the wiper mechanism, also on the wiper cover. And if we didn't do it in the specific time, what kind of problem we have to face in future, we will discuss in this video. So without wasting any time, we will directly start the video, guys. So for repairing the wiper, you have to remove this 13 mm nut from both the wipers, guys. Both the wiper contains this 13 mm nut. And kindly remember, the bigger wiper is situated in the middle one and the shorter wiper which is situated in the right side one, guys. Kindly remember this, it will help you in future. And this is now the condition of the wiper. You can just check, it's totally rusted and it is in damaged condition, guys. And what is happening, all this rust, it situated to the wiper cover and also make it oxidize. And what's happening, this rust is also damaging to the wiper blade, and the wiper blade is damaging to the windscreen. So you can see such small part is damaging two parts of the car, and it is very costly to change the windscreen of the car, guys. So that's why I took the decision to restore it. And you can see both the wipers has been damaged. Just check it, guys. So for sanding, I have used this 220 grit sandpaper. So what is happening, guys, the sanding will smooth the proper surface of the rust and it will properly polish. You can just check, this is how it looks after sanding, guys. This is the after result of sanding and cleaning. Just check, guys, it look like a brand new. And kindly remember, there should be not a single spot of rust should be remain on the wiper. Just check it, guys. This is the after result. And do not forget to clean this wiper with soap water and let it dry. Just check, guys. This is how it looks after sanding. And now this is the condition of the wiper cover, guys. So all the rust water which is directly coming from the wiper mechanism is also damaging the wiper cover. You can just check, it has been totally oxidized and faded out. All the blackness has been gone and it is look like now like a dull product, guys. You can just check, it has been totally damaged now. And this is the consequence if we didn't clean the wiper cover also. So what is happening over here? All the rust water is directly coming to the car chassis and it is damaging to the car chassis also. You can just check, all the rust has been situated to the car chassis and it is damaging. Even the wiper mechanism, I mean the wiper motor, also has been rusted due to this issue. You can just check, guys, it is totally rusted out now. Now this is the final product, guys, after spray painting with the matte black. You can just check, it looks like a factory finish only. And I have used the spray paint bottle which is easily available in your nearest hardware. It will cost you around like 200 to 150 bucks, guys. So from my end, it is a cheap fix, guys. So that's why I have thought to restore the wiper mechanism, also the wiper cover. You can just check, the finish is like a factory finish only. You can just check from your end also, guys. It look like a OEM finish. And from my end, I have applied this double side tape to kill the vibration. So what is happening over here, guys, when we purchase this product now, actually there is a company gasket which is situated over here to kill the vibration. So obviously we don't have that right now. So I have applied this two-side tape to kill the vibration, and trust me, guys, it works very fine. You can just check from your end also now. From both the part I have used this double side tape. This double side tape will cost you around somewhere 30 to 40 rupees and it is available in your nearest hardware, guys. Obviously I don't have that company gasket, so I thought to use this double side tape to kill the vibration, and it is easily fixed to the wiper cover. You can just check, this is how it looks after fitting. And I have attached this mesh grill for more safety, guys. So what is happening while driving, there are some kind of unnecessary dirt directly coming from outside, and it is situated to the chassis of the car, and it is also damaging the wiper motor. As you can see in the previously the condition of the wiper motor, guys, it's totally rusted. So somewhere around it will be prevent from unnecessary dust if we attach this mesh grill. And the installation is very simple. I have attached the two side tape, and now this is how the final product of the wiper mechanism. Just to check it, guys, it looked like a brand new only, just like OEM finish. You will not able to see any of the rust spot after repainting, guys. Again, I am saying I have used the spray paint bottle which is easily available in your nearest hardware. Just check the condition now. It's like a night and day difference, guys. It's the same wiper and the wiper blade which I was previously using. So after restoring, this is the final product. Just check it, guys. So for giving you a proper idea, I have attached this wiper blade also from my end. Guys, please mention in the comment section, do you like this video or not, or it is helpful for you or not, guys. Please let me know, as I have mentioned that such a small product can cause you more damage in future for your car. So that's why I have thought to make this video. That's it, guys. And now this is how it looks after installing it to the car, guys. The wiper mechanism and the wiper cover blends with the car phenomenally, guys, and no one will able to recognize that it has been restored, and previously it was in like a junk condition. So this is how it looks after installing it, guys. You can just check, this is how it looks, and it's look like a brand new only. And please enjoy the cinematic shots, guys. Hope you guys get the specific idea that how to maintain the wiper mechanism from the rust, also the oxidized part of the wiper cover. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will happy to reply you. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Swedish Arts Record.